24. So, set down na po sila. So, each kid, set down kayo per table. So, either team or based on your color of the shoes. Bro, ito yung white shoes at ito yung colorful na shoes. Ready? So, ito yung colorful na shoes. Go! Ayan. O, diba? Yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. O, yung sa paalam natin na. 1, 2, 3, 4. At sila 2, 4, 6, 7. Ayan. So, thank you so much.
Erich Nicodemus, and I'm 6 years old.
Yay! Don't open first, they will tell you.
Para after nito, pag kayo ay nag-enjoy, sabihin niyo. Pati na ko ng A. A. Very good. Okay. A na A. Ready? Kasi sa sila kapag inigay kayo ng ating mga baby.
All. Spread it, spread.
Paki-open.
Spread. Oh, that's nice. Okay, that's fine.
Okay, so you need to go.
No. Use your hands. Use your hands. Use your... Yeah, very good.
Okay, ayan. So,
that's fine. That's fine. Don't use your hands. Don't use your hands.
lahat ba ay may cheese na?
Yes!
Sara niyo muna.
You go there, you go there. You go there. I saw it.
Nice side.
Welcome.
Sa ating mga customers kapag meron alright, so yes, thank you so much. Muna yung flat na. Ayan. Ay, nasa ilalim.
Open the sauce.
Wala nang nalalagay naman ito ha. Okay, nakainin na yung iba dyan. Yung first one, muna tayo. First one, okay, ganun kay lahat. Put the patty. The beef patty. 8.9% beef.
Spread it.
Mabaho ba? Anong amoy?
Burger.
Naku. Okay, so next naman ay, okay, hawakan ng mga special burger dressing. Paki-open, and i-spread nyo sa ibabaw ng inyong mga patties. By using the Sunday spoon.
Okay, and then cover it. We're done.
Sorry, ay, yung iba nila sa lang. So, choice na lang po na ating mga kids.
Don't use your other hand.
Okay, tayo dyan.
Don't use this one.
Kanya
Yeah.
kaya para dyan.
Very good.
Conversation. Manalangin nila si Kuya.
Cover it.
Magaling na ito ay pakumbay. So, choice ng ating mga kids kung gustong madami or konti lang.
Sige, spray. Okay.
Pwede yan iuwi para tomorrow
Otherwise.
pagpasok sa school. Ay, linggo pa na bukas. Sa Monday, pwede pa yan. Lagyan nilang sarbat.
No, going down.
Okay.
Going back.
So,
At the back.
pakilagay na ang
Like
mga
that.
ban, yung
Like that.
pinaka-last ban natin sa ibabaw ng iyong mga patties.
Yeah, hold there.
Dahil ko lang talagang instruction talaga. Now, okay. So, ayan. Mag-stop tayo ulit ng activity.
Maxine, smile muna. Eric. Eric, smile muna.
Take a picture naman. Alright, thank you so much. Palakpakan naman natin ating mga Please come forward for the group picture with Becky. Bye.